everyone, got a 2015 Buick Verano. Today we're going to replace the remote batteries.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is flip open the hard key like that. If we turn it over, we're going to remove this panel here. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help me do that. And I'm going to go after it kind of right here at the corner. See how it just kind of comes up like that. And then use it to just pry this guy up. And remove this cover like that. And you see the battery just kind of wants to jump out right away. I'll throw it back in here real quick so you can see it. All right. So you notice that the positive sign is facing outwards, and the battery size is CR2032. And just follow it out. If you need a battery, there'll be a link down in the description box for one of these batteries. And all we gotta do is just place it back in here like that, and just get the cover and just snap it all back together, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate you drop me a like, leave me a comment.